Welcome, this is Xiaomi Redmi 12C and today I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So just to do that, we should open the control panel and find somewhere here the scanner icon. Just tap once on the icon to activate this option, click yes to agree while using the app. Now we should place our QR code here into this frame. So let's just do it. Just wait a second and we can see the result just after 1 second. So this is the link, the Wikipedia article. So just let's go to the website and we can see that this is the Wikipedia article. So that's it, that's how to scan QR codes with the Xiaomi device help. So also we got one more way how we can do that. Just you should find first the scanner icon, the scanner application. So you can use this application by the swipe or just to use the control panel and find the scanner option. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.